Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard-boiled eggs for beginners, updated. Place eggs in a single layer in a saucepan and add cold water to cover by 1 inch. Bring to a gentle boil, then cover and remove from heat. Let sit for 9 minutes for firm yolks, then cool in an ice bath for 5 minutes before peeling to stop cooking and make peeling easier. Fresh eggs peel differently than older eggs, so I recommend using eggs that are 5 to 7 days old for best peeling results. Bring water to a steady boil, then reduce heat to maintain a gentle simmer to prevent cracking. If you live at higher altitude, add 1 to 2 minutes to the resting time, and always finish with an ice bath to halt cooking and ease peeling every time. Quick recommendation: if you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to help the channel grow and keep content coming. On another note, the smart speaker you see is the Echo Dot, a handy kitchen companion for timers, music, and voice recipes. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for supporting the channel, and now let's get back to the video. Once cooled, gently crack the shell all over and roll the egg on a hard surface to loosen the membrane and shell. Start peeling at the wider end, where an air pocket usually helps separate the membrane, and peel under running water or in a bowl of water to remove tiny shell pieces. Practice makes it easier. Try using a spoon or silicone egg peeler if standard peeling still sticks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.